Today, we're diving into the world of AI website builders, unlocking the secrets of creating stunning websites without a single line of code. Buckle up, because this journey is about to make you a web design superhero. In the past, creating a website was like navigating a labyrinth of technical jargon and cryptic coding. But thanks to the power of artificial intelligence, those days are long gone. Now, anyone with an idea and a few clicks can bring their online presence to life. So grab your laptops, gather your creativity, and let's explore the 4 free AI website builders that are revolutionizing the way we craft websites. Let's kick things off with Hoku's AI website builder, a platform that's as easy as pie to use. Simply answer a few questions about your website's purpose, style, and content, and Hoku's will whip up a beautiful design in no time. Imagine you're starting a dog walking business. With Hoku's, you can select the pet services category, describe your services, and even upload adorable photos of your canine companions. Hoku's will then take care of the rest, generating a professional website that showcases your expertise and attracts furry clients. Next up, we have Leia AI Website Builder, a platform that's not only powerful but also incredibly user-friendly. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, you can customize your website to your heart's content, adding images, text, and even interactive elements with ease. Picture yourself launching a new fashion brand. With Leia, you can create a sleek and stylish website that showcases your latest designs. You can add eye-catching product photos, embed captivating videos, and even incorporate a virtual try-on feature to enhance the customer experience. Moving on to Pineapple AI Website Builder, a platform that's known for its versatility and adaptability. Whether you're building a personal blog, a business website, or even an online portfolio, Pineapple has you covered. Think of yourself as a freelance photographer eager to showcase your talents. With Pineapple, you can create a stunning portfolio website that highlights your best work. You can categorize your photos by genre, add captions and descriptions, and even integrate social media sharing buttons to expand your reach. Last but not least, we have Cleep AI Website Builder, a platform that's designed to make your website creation process as smooth as butter. With its AI-powered content generation tool, you can say goodbye to writer's block and hello to captivating website copy. Imagine you're launching a new restaurant. With Cleep, you can generate mouth-watering descriptions of your menu items, craft engaging blog posts about your culinary creations, and even write enticing social media captions to attract hungry customers. Well, there you have it, folks. 4 amazing AI website builders that empower anyone to create a professional-looking website without any coding knowledge. So what are you waiting for? Unleash your inner web designer and start building your online empire today. Remember, the internet is your oyster, and with these AI tools as your pearls, you're ready to dive into a world of limitless possibilities. Happy website building!